Dope too. Guilty, baby. That Monty on the beach, you got it on
All she wanna do is drink, drink, drink. I got my chain on and won't go clink, clink, clink. No job, big bank, no show, know what to think, think, think. Oh God, Sergeant, check my ring, ring, ring. Oh God, Sergeant, check my ring, ring, ring.
All right, so quick update, man. So we were out in the middle of our field training, man, with one of the student drivers, the instructor, and I was sitting in the back. And this is a 2019 truck that they have. Came from Salt Lake City. I think they just got it in this week. That's what they said yesterday. So we get up to this pilot to make a stop, but before then, you know, we getting all kind of readings as we're out doing our field tests or, you know, just field practice about the voltage meter just going up sky high, right? I think we should have checked that, you know, before we even pulled off. That's part of the pre-trip inspection. But so, you know, as we're riding around, the voltage, it starts going up. 15, 16, 17, even all the way up to 18, right? Okay, so how you doing? Pretty good, man. So we get up to the pilot, right? And we stop behind one of the trucks at the DEF tank. And now we can't get the truck to cut back on, though. We stop and we can't pull forward. So we have the truck blocking the... Yeah. You trying to find out now? Yeah. High voltage meter, man. Yeah. It turned off, yeah. Like it was going sky high. It went up to 18 and then now it won't even cut back on. The starter wires? No. I don't know, that's one of their newer trucks, man. They just got it in this week, so yeah, so we're basically guinea pigs, if you will, man. All right, appreciate it, bro. Yeah, so that's us right there, man. Yeah, man, that's the word right there, man. Yep. So yeah. So we're here at the pilot, waiting on you know, the maintenance crew to come in, to come check things out, man, to come get us up out of here. There's my day for driving. So I'll probably be first driving first thing in the morning, which is cool. You know, it's all good, man. You know. But as far as the weather's not too bad today. I'm bundled up pretty nice, man. I have on 2 pairs of pants and my favorite sweater. This is my favorite sweater. It feels so damn good. This is my favorite sweater, man. Favorite. It feels just warm. It's soft. It's everything that you would want your sweater to be, right? Nice and cozy. But anyway, so yeah, man. Yeah. All right, man. Quick update for today. So like I said, the truck had broke down on us earlier while we were road testing. So another truck came and I got to get some road work in, and the day ended quite well. Truthfully, still got a little cold in me, still, but I feel a lot better than I did 2 days ago, man. I feel a lot better. And today it's a pleasant 36 degrees, man. And like after feeling, you know, -2 and -8 degrees, man. 36 degrees outside is very pleasant, man. So I'm actually out here without gloves on. I do have on my towel, makeshift scarf, but it's a very pleasant 36 degrees outside. I'm just recording just to give y'all an update, man. So it's Tuesday, and we at the end of the day, and like I said, it's been a pretty pleasant day all day, man. Parallel parking to the left, that was successful. The truck had broke down on us on the road to practice, but we got a new truck to come pick us up to finish up our road work, so that was good. And it's 36 degrees, man, and it was a pleasant 36 degrees all day. So like I said, man, after feeling -2 and 14 and all of that, those crazy numbers, this is actually quite doable. All right. So we have the 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock shift tonight to come in and get our backing in. That's great. Give me a chance to go ahead and get on in the room and get a shower and get into bed first. You heard me? I might even watch me some pre-trip videos, you know, just to stay freshened up. I don't know. Who knows, man? I might even put on some Netflix or something. But anyway. But yeah, man, it's been a great day, man. It's Tuesday. We counting down, dog. It's getting close to the end, man. It's getting close, dog. We getting there. Hey, I'm going to check in with y'all a little later.